So you're a new agent, freshly licensed, and now you need to find a brokerage to hang your license with, but you have no idea where to start. Well, in this video, I'm going to share with you 5 reasons plus a bonus one at the end as to why EXP REALTY is a phenomenal brokerage for new agents. Starting with number 1, 70 hours plus of live training every single week. 70 hours. That's a lot. Now, the 70 hours of live training is held in EXP World, which is our metaverse or virtual cloud-based university campus / office. Now, what's significant about these 70 plus hours of training is that it is taught by the icon agents of the company. Now, these icon agents are top producing agents in today's market and span across the entire company. Now, these are basically the best of the best agents who are teaching you exactly how they got their level of success. Now, the beauty of this training and EXP's continuing training and education is the fact that 1, it's cloud-based, and 2, you are not confined to just your marketplace or one agent's perspective. We have thousands upon thousands every single month, a new rotation of agents coming in who are iconing and teaching these new courses. And besides these 70 hours of training, if you are in Canada, a new agent, you'll be enrolled into the 12-week new agent bootcamp, and if you are in the US, you will be enrolled into the mentorship program where you will be assigned a mentor in your market area and they will help you for your first 3 real estate transactions. Number 2, accessible staff. If you haven't watched my video on the differences between a traditional brick and mortar brokerage versus a modern cloud-based brokerage, you should definitely watch that video. I will link it in the cards above, as this portion of the video will make a lot more sense. Now, long story short, EXP Realty has about 950 plus staff who are paid on salary, who operate the cloud 24/7, 5 days a week, based on the fact that we are also in Australia. Now, in every single province and state, there are multiple brokers, and these brokers are also paid on salary, and they do not sell real estate. And why is this significant? It's because in EXP Realty, the brokers have the obligation and duty to help the agents within that province or state with their local transactional needs. And beyond anything local transactional needs, the brokers within that state or province are then able to delegate other tasks to the staff within the cloud. So if you have any problems with technology, your website, accounting, commission payout, there is a department for that you go directly to. So in every sense, you are not alone. You really truly have an army behind you who is taking care of you and helping you through your real estate business. Number 3, powerful CRM and lead generation. Now, if you don't know what CRM stands for, it stands for Customer Relationship Management. And that's the basis of a real estate business. It's relationships with people, getting leads, nurturing the leads, working with those leads, and closing those leads. Now, in EXP Realty, every single agent gets their own KV Core platform. Now, KV Core is your real estate website that is personal to you. It is integrated with the MLS listings within your region and is also your lead capture, your lead follow-up, your lead nurture system. This is where you can also call, text, mass email your contacts directly from this dashboard. You can also set up your contacts on the mass email drips and campaigns. So there's a bunch of things you can do inside KV Core. KV Core is a beast, my friends. And the important thing to know here about KV Core is that it is widely known as one of the best CRMs in the industry. And if you are outside of EXP Realty, it would cost you anywhere from $8,000 to $10,000 a year to utilize this website, and that's a lot of money to spend on a website and a database system. Number 4, time and location flexibility. Now, this point kind of segues back to point number 1 and 2 about the training and the accessibility of the staff. Now, because EXP Realty is an independent brokerage and we operate cloud-based and virtually, during the pandemic, agents were able to basically operate their real estate businesses quite normally. And of course, with it being cloud-based, all of us were able to log into EXP World, attend a training, and get help from our brokers and support staff at any point of the day. Now, of course, with having no brick and mortar offices, agents don't have to waste their time commuting to work or an office to get help from their brokers. Now, as a caveat here, you don't actually have to go into EXP World or Metaverse to get help from a broker or staff. EXP agents have access to Workplace by Facebook or Metaverse, and we heavily use Workplace chat, and this is where we are able to call, text our brokers or whoever we may need help from. It's also a great source for networking and referrals. Point is, by not having to drive to an office, you are saving time, and saving time is saving money, because when you can save time and reinvest that precious time into income producing activities, also obviously your income will go up. Number 5, maximize profit right from the start. EXP Realty for Canada and the US, agents here have a 80-20 split with a $16,000 cap. In addition to that, we have no franchise fees, royalty taxes, or desk fees. Now, in addition to, of course, having income from your commission and your deals, EXP Realty also has different avenues to create wealth that the agents have access to. And if you want to learn more about that, I've done previous videos on those topics, so you can check those out in the videos in the card above. This is the bonus one: agents who partner with Agent Wolfpack dominate. Now, I say this in all my EXP related videos, but I truly believe that your EXP sponsor has a huge impact on your experience and the trajectory you could have here at the company. Now, if you partner with myself and the Wolfpack at EXP Realty, we plug you into our exclusive tools, resources, trainings, masterminds that will help you from bottom up all the way to the top. And to give you some context, I have witnessed new agents in a new market with no sphere, no influence, be able to close 87 deals in their first year with no prospecting, no AdSense, all for free, based on our trainings that we provide. And if that's not insane, I don't know what is. Now, if you want to learn about Agent Wolfpack and to see if we would probably be a nice fit, you can book a Wolfpack discovery call using my link below. And if all of this went over your head and you have no idea what an EXP sponsor is, you can check out this video here.